Run capacitors in parallel. Most technicians are aware that if you take two capacitors and wire them together, they add up. So in this case, the 5 and the 7.5 become a 12.5 microfarad. That is true as long as they're wired in parallel. So in order to be able to give you a simple graphic of that, let's just take a capacitor, and then we'll put another capacitor in parallel with that. And the wires would just jump from one to the next. And then you would have your wire from your contactor feeding in, and then the wire going to your start on your compressor coming off like that. These two capacitors are wired in parallel. In that case, they do add up. The 5 and the 7.5 become a 12.5. When you do this, please make sure that you keep the voltages the same. So if you're going to be using a 370, match both capacitors at 370. Then the maximum voltage that that capacitor can handle is 370. If you're going to use 440s, the maximum of the combination of those two capacitors will be 440 as well. Hope this helps.